Grammar quiz. Comparative adjectives. Fill in the blanks using the correct comparative adjective. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Roger is 28 years, blank, Peter. Is it A, older, B, older than, C, more older than, or D, oldest than? The correct answer is B, older than. Roger is 28 years older than Peter. Number 2. The red apple is blank, the green apple. Is it A, more sweeter, B, sweetest than, C, more sweet, or D, sweeter than? The correct answer is D, sweeter than. The red apple is sweeter than the green apple. 3. My outfit is blank than yours. Is it A, colourfulest, B, colourfully, C, more colourful, or D, most colourful? The correct answer is C, more colourful. My outfit is more colourful than yours. 4. This film is way blank, the first one. Is it A, worse than, B, worse than, C, worser than, or D, badder than? The correct answer is A, worse than. This film is way worse than the first one. And 5. The crocodile is blank than the frog. Is it A, more ferocious, B, the most ferocious, C, the more ferocious, or D, more ferociouser? The correct answer is A, more ferocious. The crocodile is more ferocious than the frog. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.